Thank you for joining us as we understand the troubleshooting problems at Superior Healthcare Group. Superior Healthcare Group has recently installed an electronic system for sending prescriptions to pharmacies. Up until now, the system has worked really well. However, the e-system began to display errors, which have caused doctors to have to call in prescriptions. Braden, the new office manager, maintains the system but is having trouble troubleshooting the errors, and doctors need a quick solution because they are frustrated with having to write out prescriptions. Even worse, Braden does not know who to contact regarding this system, so there are no available solutions to him at this point. Below are the error systems that Braden continues to receive. There are 3 errors. Some possible areas that may have caused these error codes could be auto-populate. Here is where the provider begins to type in the possible drug or symptoms, and the system should auto-populate the drug and drugs related to those systems. The system also has a touchscreen which hasn't been responsive. So if the touchscreen isn't responsive, there could be a malfunction that has caused disruptions in other areas. Drugs are also automatically flagged with specific therapeutic classes such as ACE inhibitors or statins that the system monitors for 5-star measures, and this may not be responding due to the third-party systems where the information is housed. This, along with food and drug interactions, geriatric and pediatric precautions, minimum maximum dosings, allergies, and duplicate therapies are also not working at this time. Finally, having the use of GPS, where the provider should be able to populate the nearest pharmacy to the patient's preferred pharmacy, is having systematic errors as well. Braden has started to go through a series of troubleshooting efforts to resolve the problem. He has attempted to use a different operating system, made sure all the updates were current. He did a diagnostic startup to ensure other programs were not influencing the errors. He has also checked all the advanced settings, even started the system in safe mode to determine the errors, along with ensuring the administrative rights were working. Unfortunately, Braden doesn't have much background information on the program and has been unsuccessful in retrieving information from the company, so he remains at a loss, which continues to frustrate the doctors. Finally, once Braden was able to receive technical help from the company, the CEO ensured that there was live, interactive, and web-based training guides to help Braden and others throughout the learning process. Multiple learning opportunities are available, including self-paced foundation training, online help, step-by-step wizards, tutorials, and full training documentation. Braden just didn't have this information at his exposure. Now he is much more comfortable with troubleshooting future errors, and the doctors are happy that their system is back up for e-prescribing. Thank you.